Introducing the 650 Honda Shadow for sale from SaferWholesale.com. We've turned the motorcycle into a trike. And again, this is a Honda Shadow motorcycle trike for sale from SaferWholesale.com. We can nationwide ship all across the entire USA right to your front door. So give us a call right now, 866-606-3991. Now this is a soft tail, and it's got 13,700 miles on this bad boy. As you can see here, it's in great shape. And again, as you can see in the rear, it is a soft tail, as we're demonstrating here in the video. Again, give us a call right now, SaferWholesale.com, 866-606-3991. And again, we can ship nationwide right to your front door. The 650 Honda Shadow, again, for sale from SaferWholesale.com. A great low price. Call us right now to order. Again, 866-606-3991. Shipped nationwide right to your front door.